Dear student, how are you? Thank you. I am fine too. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. It's all right. You all know that at present coronavirus has been spread all over the country of the world. As a result, your study is going to lose. By considering your side, the government of our country is going to start online class. So, I am an assistant headmaster of Miling High School, Nawabganj, Dhaka. I am going to start a online class for the student of class 9 and 10. It's all right. I hope, I believe, if you attend my class, you will be benefited from all the side. Follow the board. Today's lesson is complex sentence. Yes. Today's lesson is complex sentence. Number 1. What is complex sentence? Number 2. How can we know the complex sentence? Number 3. How can we make the complex sentence? From the simple sentence. All the students follow the board. Number 1, what is complex sentence? Number 2, how can we know the complex sentence? Number 3, how can we make the complex sentence from the simple sentence? This sentence, which has only one principal clause and one or more than subordinate clause, we called it complex sentence. I am saying again, the sentence which has only one principal clause and one or more than subordinate clause, we can call it complex sentence. Number 2, how can we know the complex sentence? If the sentence is joined or connected when, as, though, since, because, that, which, where, how, it is must complex sentence. When any kinds of sentence is joined or connected when, as, though although, since, because, where, how, why, and all kinds of what. It may be middle or first of the sentence. It may be middle or first of the sentence. It is called complex sentence, or we can call it complex sentence. Number 3, how can we make the complex sentence from the simple sentence? Follow the board. I went to market. Or I read book to get knowledge. Number 2, we went to market to buy something. Follow the board. I read book to get knowledge. It is simple sentence because this sentence is join infinitive to. This sentence is join infinitive to. In order to make it complex, before two part of the sentence, write first. Before two part of the sentence, write first. Next, give up to, use so that. Give up to, use so that. Next, follow the first subject, we. Follow the first subject, we. We is use again. The subject is use again. After so that. Next, follow the verb after first subject. Read. It may be past or present tense. Actually, you will have to follow what kind of verb it is after first sentence. What kinds of verb it is? If the verb is present tense, you can use may or can. If the verb is past tense, you can use might or could. Here, read may be present tense or past tense. You will use here can or could, because these verb may be present tense or past tense. Actually, you will have to follow what kinds of verb it is. After first subject, what kinds of verb it is? Actually, you will have to use, if the verb is present, you can use can or may. If the verb is past tense, you must be used could or might. Next, the next part of the sentence. Follow the board. We read books so that we could get knowledge. It is complex sentence because the sentence is joined so that. It's all right. Follow the next sentence. We going to market to buy book. Infinitive verb. Write the first part of the sentence. We went to market and use indicate or give up to and use so that plus first subject and follow what kinds of verb it is. When must past tense, you will have to use could or might and use next the last part of the sentence. Last part of the sentence. It's all right. Homework. Make 5 complex sentence. Make 5 complex sentence. It's all right. Thank you all. I wish you all good luck and good health. Thank you all.